Hello everyone. Today I am discuss about the best screen recorder extension ski.io. You can use it total free and unlimited. Ski.io is an amazing extension for your screen recorder. If you want to add this extension with your Chrome browser, go your Chrome browser and write your search box ski.io extension. Then you can find out this website. Then click on screen recorder. Then you can see like this interface. From here you can add this extension from your Chrome browser. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Then you can see your screen recorder are add from your Chrome browser. Then click on this icon. Then you can see here is screen recorder available. Then click on this pin button. Then you can see here is screen recorder icon, and if you want to record your screen, then click on this icon. Then you can see here is three options are available: only screen plus camera, only camera. But at now only screen and only camera are available, but screen and camera are coming soon. I want to record my screen, only screen. Then you can see here is four options are available. You can use your microphone system plus microphone, only system, or none. I want to select only screen and my microphone. Then click on start recording. Then you can see here is also three options are available. If you want record your screen, then select this. Otherwise you can select from your windows, and you can select your Chrome tab. But I want to I want to record my full screen, so I am select this and click on share button. Then you can see your screen record are already started. Okay, you can minimize this. Then you can use it totally free. So if you want to stop your screen recorder, then click on stop. Then click on optimize. This is very important. Then you can save from here. Okay, after save this, you can check. Go on your download file. You can see screen capture. Here is your video available. You can rename your video from here. This way you can use your screen recorder totally free. Thanks for watching.